That is a lot of snow. Wow, finally the first big snowstorm of 2022. It's January 17th, and up until yesterday we had like 2 or 3 inches of crusty, icy snow. And this has got to be at least over a foot. I should grab a tape measure, but that is incredible. Holy. I think it snowed for 13 hours. Sarah's been out on her new sled. Gonna get this thing greased up. Already got the plow hooked up. Figured that'd be a lot easier to hook the hoses up in here. So I'm measuring a couple different spots just for science's sake, but there you go. That is a foot of snow. Walk over here a bit and see what it is over here. I'm calling that a foot. 12 inches, yes. Don't want that to rust. So here we are, it's the next day. Changed up the equipment a bit. Went down and got Dad's walk behind snowblower and put the blower on the tractor. This snow here, this blower is gonna be helpful, I think. The snow is just so dense. That is way easier than using a shovel when there's that much snow. All right, on to the big blower now. This just didn't plug right here. It was kind of plugged from before. I was hoping it would clear out, but obviously not. All right, give that a go. Do I ever feel silly? That PTO was in 540 and it needed to be in 1,000. So that's working fine. I guess I'll keep carrying on with the blower. That thing's working good now. It will blow a pile of snow. Get this opened up here now. So this is the end of the first big snowstorm cleanup. This is what we ended up with. I got the tractor and the bucket in here with the blower and the skid steer with this plow on it, and everything worked good. Oh, it was a pile of work getting all that snow cleaned up. But one thing I do have to fix is this snowblower. This part here, I don't know what it's called, where the pin goes on, that nut's loose and it has a ton of play in it. and that nut's seized on there, so I was gonna cut it off. I picked up another one the other day. So I'll get that done, so we're ready for the next snowfall, whenever that might happen. And that's the aftermath. Big banks. And now it's freezing cold outside, so do some inside work today, and then hopefully go snowmobiling this weekend.